Hello and welcome to Fit Talk. I'm your host Muskan, wishing you a very happy Navratri this season. As you might know that during Navratri, a lot of people fast for the entirety of 9 days, while others might fast on the first and the last day. Fasting during Navratri is very different from a typical general fasting, as you might know. Because during this period, people skip and avoid meat, alcohol, onion, garlic, pulses, whole grains, a lot of vegetables, flour, salt and other spices. Whereas they resort to eating kuttu kata, sabudana, and a lot of importance is given to potatoes, carrots and cucumbers. While fasting is very good for your health, even our Ayurveda states that you should fast often. But the Navratri fasting has some advantages but also a lot of disadvantages for your body. As during this period, you fast for very long hours and then resort to eating oily food that not only gives acidity and heartburn, but it also increases the acid production in your stomach, which is a response to empty stomach. The irregular eating pattern during fasting hours also disrupts your digestive cycle. The situation can worsen if you consume acidic or spicy food or rely a lot on potato. Therefore, in today's video, I am going to share with you 5 hacks in which you can make your Navratri fasting acidity free. Point number 1, avoid acidic foods. You should avoid spicy and acid-inducing foods. As if you eat a lot of carbohydrate-rich diet, it will not only increase the fat in your body, but it will also decrease the energy levels in your body. Therefore, you should consume raw fruits as it is easy for the body to digest it, as well as giving you more energy and keeping you agile. You can include fruits like bananas, papayas, watermelon, grapes, anything that you like and any fruit that suits your body. You can also include vegetables, nuts, whole grains. Second point, hydration. As I always say, hydration is the key to your overall well-being. If you're having a headache, have a glass of water. No matter what your illness is, being hydrated is one way in which you can protect your body. Therefore, even during fasting, you should make sure that you are well hydrated, that the water level in your body is well kept. Drinking a good amount of water obviously help you reduce weight, but drinking water can also reduce your hunger while you're fasting. It also boosts your metabolic rate. Who knew? Staying hydrated not only helps with all this, but it also maintains your stomach's pH level, which is very important to prevent acidity. Therefore, the next time you feel heartburn or feel weird in your stomach, go for a glass of water. Third, avoid spicy foods. As we've talked about it in the introduction of this video, you should avoid spicy and fried food at all costs during Navratri. The reason is when you fast for a long period of time, your body has already created a lot of acid. Therefore, if you eat a meal rich in carbohydrate, there are chances that it will cause acidity and will irritate your gut. Spicy food anyways is not good for your gut, and especially when your body has been starving for the entire day. Resorting to something that's not good for your gut and will irritate your stomach is not a good way to treat your body. Therefore, you should avoid eating fried food. Resort to simple meals that your body can break down very easily so that acidity and other digestive issues are not triggered. Fourth point, small and frequent meals. This point should not be inculcated only during your festive season, but you should make it a habit. You should eat small and healthy meals frequently during the day rather than resorting to large unhealthy meals, let's say twice a day. What happens is when you eat frequent meals, your body feels less hungry and is always high on energy. Whereas when you starve yourself in the name of dieting and do not eat for entire day, so whenever you eat, you would feel hungrier and you would eat a lot, which again is troublesome for your body to digest. Smaller meals are easy for your body to digest, whereas larger meals become a problem when it comes to digestion. And it can also disturb the flora and fauna of your stomach and cause gut issues. Fifth, consult a doctor. If you face acidity whenever you wake up in the morning, or it is way more frequent than it used to be, then you should definitely go to a doctor. He'll prescribe you antacid medicines that will help counter your acidity problem. You should not resort to any medicines. Definitely go and get yourself checked from a doctor. Now that you know of all these super hacks, make sure that you try them and inculcate in your 9 days fasting period. Also have a safe and healthy Navratri.